Dear friends, welcome back to Civil Conclave presentations. Today we are going to do what analysis of problems of in implementation of the cost control measures in the construction firm. What I mean to say that what are the problems we are in a construction firms we are facing to how to do a cost controlling issues. Research and methodology of the flowchart has been as follows. First, we go to problem statement. Problem statement to identify objectives. From the identify objective, information collection, primary information, secondary information. From primary information to interviews and questionnaires, secondary information to literature and reviews. Information collections will go to data analysis, tables, graphs and figures, and it comes to a conclusion. Importance of the cost control in a project is this. Cost control of a project involves measuring and collecting the cost record of a project of the work project progresses. It also involves the actual progress with the planning. The main objective of cost control to gain the maximum profit within the designated period and satisfactory quality of work. Statement of the problems. We have conducted various interviews with the contractors. What are the problems they are finding out in controlling the cost control issues? This has been listed below. The study is carried out how the situation of cost control on the site of a construction project. Objectives of this thing: to study the cost control method in construction projects, to identify the cost control method frequently used by contractors during the construction stages, to identify the main problems faced by the contractors in controlling the cost at site. Scope: to study is carried out for the construction firms and involves the contract. The study covers only the cost control during the construction phase and not in the bidding and the designing process. The interviews and the questionnaires we made it to the contractor is as follows. The interviews has been conducted with the experienced personnel of the construction company to collect the data from them. The questionnaire is categorized as below. Respondents information, general information about the cost control, purchase, purpose, principle, philosophy and objective of the cost control, weakness and mistakes. Cost control of a project involves measuring the collective cost record of the project and the work progress. It also involves the actual progress with the planning. The cost control is the ability to influence the final cost of the project positively with a modifying negative performance trends. The main purpose of the cost controlling for a construction project is to achieve controlling in the final cost for the owner and not only as a record to register. Aim of the cost control: to give the building client a good value for a money, to achieve a balanced and logical distribution of the available funds, to keep the total expenditure within the amount agreed by the client. Cost control methods. There are three types of cost control methods are there. Comparison with the cost control cost standard method, subdivision by a detailed method, by integration with other functions method. Data analysis. Break down the various groups responding sources. The questionnaire is as follows. We have questioned developer 1 is a 10 percentage, contractor 8 contractors 80 percentage, consultant 1 10, project manager nothing. Totally number of respondents 10 and it is 100% totally. The percentage of the understanding the contractor about cost control system in the construction has been noted as follows. See here, totally understand is nil, understand round about 50, average understanding is round about 35, do not understand nil, and totally do understand is hardly 10 percentages. The percentage of the types of cost control reporting system to the contractors. Profitability 50% understand, efficiency of the work 25% understand, unit cost 25% is the people understand. The percentage of the interval time contractor prepare the cost prepare reports. You know how the cost reports have been prepared frequently by the contractor. The time duration has been used. Weekly nothing, monthly nothing, only quarterly the people used to prepare. The percentage of frequently used by a contractor overall profit and loss method. Most frequently is 40 people, frequently 15 people, average not and totally not is 0. The percentage of frequently used by contractor in that unit rate method. Most frequently 25 people, frequently 15, average 45 people, not at all, not is 15 and totally not is 0. The percentage of profit or a loss based on a progress payment method is as follows. Most frequently nil, frequently 45, average 35, not at all 0, totally not 0. Ranking in the main problem of the cost control. Problem faced by control. Ever changing environment, number of respondents 1, 2, 4, relative index 4. Like this, the entire statement has been provided here. Outcome. Cost control method are used frequently by the contractor. Overall profit or loss. Overall cost of project compared by the money received. Unit rates. Compare the actual unit rate to the estimate unit rate and profit or loss based on the progress payment. Outcome. The main problem faced by the contractor in controlling the cost at site is as follows. Shortage of material, labor or a mechanical plant, difficulty in collecting cost data, ever changing environment in construction work, qualified expertise, duration of the project, additional cost to carry out the cost control system, not beneficial. Suggestions. What is my suggestions has been as follows. Overall study reveals that the contractor emphasized on cost controlling measure were much less. Contractor has to focus on cost controlling with the timely completion as well as the quality of the work. Along with the planning and schedule of activities of the entire project, resource planning should also be done equally well. Scheduling of activities will not just help the project to get in complete in time, but necessary resources required for execution of all activities should be well planned and in advance. Progress of the project is mostly tracked in percentage of work. Equally, progress of the should be done in terms of cost also. Budgeted cost of work done, actual cost of the work done, scheduled cost of the work done. Progress of the project on these parameters help to know whether the project progress is in desired direction or not. The contractor should have the knowledge of planning expertise personnel who should be well versed in scheduling and planning of activities and their respective resources, tracking the process of the project, and should be enough to counter adverse conditions. The time interval of reporting the cost control measures should be adequately less so that well time in controlling the measure if there is any divergence in the progress of a project in terms of the cost. Cost controlling tracking should be braced up at site level and not only at the managerial level. The site engineer should be trained and should be made well versed in evaluating the daily progress in terms of the cost of the work. Future studies. Cost reduction techniques during pre-construction stages, during the design project. Entire design should be such that results in the cost control. The study covers implementation of the cost control measure only to be adopted during the construction stages. Hence, there is a scope of cost control during pre-construction. Study of cost control measures that should be adopted by the consultant, designer, developer, everybody. Development of implementation tools, analytical tools for individual construction firms with the internal and external analysis with reference to the above. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share, which will motivate me for a further good presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be at the earliest. You can contact me at civilconclave@gmail.com or at my Telegram group. The link has been as follows. Thank you for watching once again. Kindly subscribe and like so that I can give you further